Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So in this video what we will look into is we have one list. So now what we'll do is we will look into the options like how to copy the list of items from one list to another list. So here we have two options. Let's say here I have created the list. So now let's print the list. Now I have the list of items, these are present. My list name is X. So let's say now I wanted to copy this all the items to another new list. So in this way here we have two options. First option is like you can create another new list, you can give whatever the list name you wanted to give and equal to list of X. So what it will do is it will copy all the elements whatever inside this particular list into Y. So now let's try to print Y. So if you try to print Y, so you can see items are matching. In the same way, like there is another option also called copy. So let's take a new list here, list name. Now what you need to do is syntax for this is whatever the list you wanted to copy from. So let's say you wanted to copy the items from X. So you can give X dot copy and parenthesis. And if you give and if you try to print, it will print the values. If you see whatever the items are there in the X, same items are present in the Y. So these are the two options which are available when you wanted to copy the list of items from one list to another list. So this is all guys. Thanks for watching my videos. If you have any questions, comment below. So that I can answer those questions accordingly. If you have any questions related to any interview related questions or anything, you can just mention in the comments so that I will prepare the video on that and post it in my channel accordingly. Thanks for watching my videos.